So here's one way that I know to change the size of the text. Anytime you copy and paste text into your text box here, when you go to add a new blog post, by default it will show up as the same size for every post. So here's what it looks like. It's a little bit big for my taste, so I'd like to make that smaller. So what you'll do is go back to the edit box, and right now you're in the visual mode, so let's go to HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And this is what it's a language that websites use to display content. So anytime you want to change the size of the text, you'll have to do it in the HTML mode. So what you'll need to do is copy some HTML code and just copy and paste it into the front of your text. You can see here's what some of the HTML code looks like. So this is for our hyperlinked text. So the little bracket here starts the tag, and the little the dash and the end of the bracket mean the tag has ended. So the computer knows that that means that this is a link. So there's a tag for different size text, and unfortunately I don't remember where I found it, but I've copied it already and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. So you just drop in this line of code, just make sure that everything is within the brackets, and hit preview, and this is what happens. So your text is smaller, but because we only copied the tag for the first paragraph, we need to go ahead and finish it for the rest of the post. If you'd like, you could leave it the way it is, but just to show you what you need to do. So you need to copy it, Command V if you're on a Mac, again there and there, and if you want to see what it looks like, you just hit preview every time, and then the post is uniform in the text size. So that's one way to do it. There are HTML tags for just about everything you can imagine. We won't go into HTML tags too much in depth for this class, but if you ever want to learn more, you go to w3schools.com and it will tell you just about everything you'd like to know. So that's one option, just in case you would like to change the font size.